I took far too long thinking about whether or not I had the right equipment to start. And it turns out that all of that time was wasted. I really didn't need anything fancy. I just needed my cell phone, a cheap lavalier microphone, a cheap cell phone gimbal and stand, and that's it. That's all I needed to get started. If you're waiting, if you're procrastinating because you don't think you have the right equipment, I'm here to tell you that you are wrong. Pick up your cell phone or any cheap camera that you have and get started. There's a lot of learning to be done, and months and months and months will pass before you have many viewers or people who care about your content. So just jump out there and start recording. That'll be the best decision you make if you're interested in starting a YouTube channel, especially if you're over 40 and you're confused by all of the options out there. Just get started. It doesn't matter.